today we played Monkey in the Middle. And this monkey was playing to win.
To unleash the whirlwind, you need the control of the hummingbird. But first,
What's with the necklace?
it's the first kung fu medal I ever won. If I don't kiss it before my battles, I'll lose my chi.
Wait, the butt-kicking karate queen needs chi rituals?
Yeah, observe, grasshoppers.
Let me see. Cool!
Not funny, McGee.
I just want to look at it for a second. Whoops.
Ah, my good luck medal! I'm useless without it.
You don't need a medal to be awesome. You're Gretchen, the Kung Fu Queen. Now show us what you got.
Maybe you're right.
Wow, that's one tough apple.
That apple should have been applesauce.
I was hoping for an apple fritter, actually.
You totally de-chiified me.
Get serious. You haven't lost your chi.
You have no idea.
Maybe it's taking a nap.
You were saying?
Come on, Gretch. Everyone's a klutz once in a while.
I'm not. Or at least I wasn't. I used to have fists of foo. Ah! Now I'm just one big chi-less klutz.
What? Gretchen lost her chi? How?
I might have maybe kind of messed with her ritual. Just no big deal.
Great Squatchy's ghost! McGee, this is a big, big deal!
It's time you campers heard the legend of the Dark Monkey.
Puppet Joe!
Long ago, a wandering master journeyed to Lakebottom in search of lost chi.
Yay!
The master arrived at the ancient monkey temple and challenged the dastardly Dark Monkey.
Suck it to him, Stripey!
You will never defeat me, foolish sock warrior.
Ah! Your monkey foo is strong! Too strong!
But the master rediscovered the chi in the most unexpected way.
Yay!
And defeated the evil warrior! Take that, and that you shall!
So chi's really a thing. And are those my socks?
But who was the master? You gotta tell me.
We've been sworn to secrecy.
She'd kick her high knees if we told.
Who's hungry for scrambled cockroaches? Master Rosebud! If anyone can help me get Gretchen's chi back, it's you!
The sock squealed, not us.
I never trusted that striped one!
Mark my words, the monkey temple is more terrifying than a barrel of mutant scorpion puppies. And I have fart cabbage to fricassee.
Only a real master could fricassee a fart cabbage.
And I'm a real klutzoid.
Buck up, Gretch! I'll get Rosebud to help if it's the last thing I do!
Aww.
And hopefully before you destroy the camp.
What part of no do you not understand?
Please, Rosebud! I totally messed up Gretchen's chi and I gotta help get it back! I mean, look at her! She's a total cheese-aster.
Okay, but it will be hard work. There is no cheating the chi.
Yes!
To find the inner chi, you must do exactly as I say. The crane may float, but the wings stay dry. Ah. There, now you try.
Yay!
Come on, Shaolin Gretch, you can totally do this!
Hi! Yes! I'm doing it! Whoa!
Make the breeze your friend and the plates your kite. Your turn. Chi is like the perfect French fry, hiding deep within the potato. Peel away doubt, and it shall be revealed. Hi-ya!
Whoa! Come on, Gretch, you can do this!
What's the use? My chi's gone kung fu-y.
Ow, ow! It's the potato apocalypse!
When doing spin kicks, we must always make sure your shoes are tied.
Don't worry, Gretch. We'll get your chi back the same way Rosebud did. Master Rosebud, will we be jogging past the monkey temple?
No way! That place is bad news.
But shouldn't we go see it so we know where we should never go?
You got a point. This way. There is the temple. Never ever go here. Now, on with the training.
Psst, now's our chance.
But Rosebud said that place is bad news.
She also says her slug soup is a little sip of heaven. Okay, follow me.
You really think this place will help me? I'm okay.
Whoa! Guys, check this out. This must be the Dark Monkey.
How is a picture of a monkey gonna help me get my chi back?
Ah, cute monkey. Want a banana? You're the one that fought Rosebud and got her chi back. Can you fight our friend too?
What? Rosebud is your counselor? It was she who imprisoned me, and now I will have vengeance. Monkey doom!
Oh, ow!
Now would be a good time to pull your chi together.
I believe in you.
Foolish campers, quiver before the primate powers of the Dark Monkey!
Hang on, Gretch!
Prepare to taste monkey defeat! Ah! Bah, my simian skills are wasted on children. It is Rosebud I'm after. Rosebud!
Rosebud's gonna get monkey stomped.
No, she's not, because we're gonna put that lame ape back in his scroll. Shields of
I'm carving up a furball of love for you. What?
Where is the one called Rosebud?
Hello? This is my me time.
And remember, campers, stopping to smell the flowers can be dangerous. Where is the one called Rosebud?
How about we discuss this over a yummy banana split?
Where is Rosebud?
Nice! Guess we threw a monkey wrench into his plans.
You don't stand a chance against my chimp foo.
Nuh-uh! Your chimp foo is weak compared to our infinite Lakebottom chi!
Huh?
Prepare to face my fist-like feet of fury.
Let's show a face what Rosebud students can do!
Yikes!
Oh!
I'm coming, McGee!
Stinky Kid Strike!
Oh, caught by my own tidy whities!
Time to step up to the plate! Gretch! It's now or never!
But I've got no chi!
Do something!
Oh, we're doomed!
Hurry! You do have chi! Just find your perfect in a fry!
Chi is like the perfect French fry.
Here goes nothing!
Oh, yeah! Do that kung fu that only you can do!
Enough games! I really must destroy you now!
Yeah!
The perfect fry!
You want to catch up with that?
And the last rule of training is always make sure you enter the washroom before battle.
Master Rosebud.
The perfect fry! My teachings have worked! You found your chi.
And you did it without your medal.
Dipped on the monkey nose chi fry.
Ew!
What? 5-second rule.